GPT underscore table is a function within the GPT for Sheets extension for Google Sheets, and the name explains pretty much everything. It's a way to write formulas and write prompts to create a variety of tables. Let's just look at a few examples. So to begin with, we have a comparative analysis table about 5 types of government, and we see the type of government, main features, and an example country. Next is a rubric, and this could be a rubric that students could use to determine if they successfully completed a project, or it's a rubric that teachers could use for grading. So this is a rubric for making an oral presentation. Let's just double click on it to see the formula. Create a rubric for an oral presentation about a famous American. So that could be a rubric the teacher creates for grading, or a student could create this rubric as a way of making sure that he or she has successfully completed the project. Next is, we look at the formula. It says population and GDP of every country in North America in 2023. Add columns showing GDP as share of population. Sort by GDP per capita in descending order. So here you've got every country in North America with the population, GDP, and GDP per capita, and you can see how some very small countries have a very high GDP per capita. And finally, we've got a research summary. Let's look at the formula. List 10 inventors, their inventions, the year of the invention, and a famous quote from the inventor. And so you've got this in a table form, easy to read, easy to organize, and easy to understand.